A for apple. Apple means save. B for banana. Banana means kela. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for dinosaur. Dinosaur means dinosaur. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fox. Fox means lomdi. G for giraffe. Giraffe means zarafa. H for hippo. Hippo means hippo. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish means jellyfish. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. L for lion. Lion means sher. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O for all. All means ullu. P for penguin. Penguin means penguin. Q for quail. Quail means quail. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. S for sheep. Sheep means bhed. T for turtle. Turtle means kachwa. U for unicorn. Unicorn means unicorn. V for vampire. Vampire means vampire. W for whale. Whale means whale machli. X for xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.